and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you're new. If you missed last Sunday's video, I mentioned that I would be doing a Vlogmas mini-series where every Sunday up until Christmas I will be uploading a holiday related video in kind of a vlog style, and this is the first one. I went to Target the other day and I picked up a Christmas gift for my cats. If you guys don't know, I do have 3 cats. We had 4 up until last August, but like I was saying, I did get my cats an early Christmas gift, and it is holiday related, so I figured I would include it for the first Vlogmas style video. So if you guys don't know, Target has the WONDERSHOP, which is essentially their holiday section, and in it I found a cat scratcher, which my cats are absolutely obsessed with cat scratchers. We actually already have a ton. We have just plain ones, and we also have a cute one that's actually a couch that my cats are obsessed with. I will go ahead and include some clips right here of my cats enjoying it. As you guys can see, they are absolutely obsessed with it and love it. They sleep on it, they scratch it, they play around on it. Getting back on track, I was shopping at Target and I saw a cat scratcher for the holiday season, and I just had to get it. This is just what it looks like. It is a little Christmas RV scratchy for cats. And is this not the cutest thing ever? So I figured I would come on here, put it together, and show you guys my cats seeing it for the first time and enjoying it. If you are interested in getting this, I highly recommend it. Definitely get to Target as soon as you can, because I actually ended up getting the last one in our Target, and they didn't think they were going to get shipments of any more. It was $14.99, and now we're gonna go and put it together and see my cat's first reaction. First, you're gonna want to start with the top panel, which is the largest piece, and there are lines on it that you're gonna want to fold. Then you can put the front and back panels on. I accidentally put them on backwards the first time, but I did put them on the correct way the second time, and it goes together really easily. And then once you have the entire frame put together, you literally just take the scratchy pad and put it down, and then you put the entire frame over it. I really like that they're not connected. That way you can replace the scratch pad if needed. And now I'm going to introduce my cat Baby to it. She is the one who enjoys these scratchies the most. She is thoroughly enjoying it. She began relaxing in it and everything. And then, the funniest thing ever was that our oversized cat Lucky decided that he was going to go in it and claim it as his own. And when Baby saw that he was in it, she went over to him and he proceeded to stick his paw out the window and swat at her to tell her that he has claimed it as his own. I thought that was really funny, and depending on how much they use this, I may actually keep it up year round. I haven't figured that out yet. I am keeping the box so that I can fold it up and put it away and use it next year if I don't use it all year, which is another thing I really like about this, is that you can disassemble it and put it away and use it again the next year. So that is just today's Vlogmas mini video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. If you guys have gotten this already for your cats or plan on getting it for your cats, definitely let me know. And if you have pictures, please tag me on Instagram, and if your account is private, just DM them to me. I would love to see your cats enjoying the scratcher. If you guys would like to see any more videos with my cats, please let me know in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload 2 new videos a week, and I'm also doing a Vlogmas mini-series where I upload a new holiday-related video every Sunday leading up to Christmas. I really hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!